Hang on here. Let's see here. This one's so much fancier than that one. Can we hear that? Yeah. Okay. Hi. I will be singing I Look to You by Whitney Houston, and I'll be accompanying it on piano, obviously. Winter storms have come and darkened my sun. After all that I've been through, what can I turn to? I look to you. I look to you. When all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong.